Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Deepthi Shukla and today we will talk with Mr. Clint Santos.
Yeah, right.
Hi.
Hi.
So how are you feeling now?
Yeah, I'm good.
So yesterday only we did his surgery and now we'll talk to him and talk about his experience with surgery. So tell me, how was it? How was your experience?
It was good. I mean, the team was excellent.
Yes.
Like they made me feel very comfortable from the start, from the beginning itself.
Yes.
And as doctor also made me very comfortable. The whole experience was excellent.
Yes.
You didn't feel anything. Like you had to just lie down and they were doing the best.
Yes.
So I would recommend people to come forward and do it. It's no pain, nothing a sort.
Thank you, thank you. And how did you come to know about your clinic?
I was doing a lot of research, so I used to follow Prasad Khandekar.
Yes.
So I saw his progress and his interviews, and I saw, lots of New Roots interviews. I went through your web page and
yes,
I did a lot of research, and then I finalized on New Roots.
Okay, okay. And how many grafts did we tell you? Like how many grafts you will require?
The great thing about them is that they told me 4,000 grafts, but they planted around 4,975.
Okay, very good, very good. So now you're happy with the results that are currently.
Yeah, right.
And did you get any pain or swelling yesterday after surgery?
No, actually, no pain or such.
Yes.
But I was a little cautious when I was sleeping.
Yes.
That's it.
Okay. And were you happy with the behavior of staff and everyone
was
around
very cooperative and very helpful.
Okay, good. So now you like your hairline. I know it's too soon to comment on that thing, but the density that looks on your scalp, you're happy with that?
Yeah, I'm happy with it.
Okay, good. So this was Mr. Santos, and we are really happy that he did not get any uncomfortable pain or any swelling on forehead yet. So if you are suffering from hair loss, do visit our clinic and we would really love to help you. Thank you.